The moment I'm asked about error correction, I assume that the person asking is thinking about what teachers do to help students correct their errors. I think it's more complicated than that. A little bit of tentative research has been done on how people correct errors themselves. It seems that we do have a kind of an awareness in speaking mother tongue, but also in speaking a foreign language, more so in speaking. There is a monitor working. And the little bit of experimentation I've done using tools from NLP, neuro-linguistic programming, suggests that there are some people whose monitor when speaking a language is mainly visual. I'm thinking of a friend whom I questioned about what his process was, and he said in speaking Russian and German, which were his main modern languages, um, he would pre-visualize what he was about to say, and he would see it, and he would see it in particular print faces, and he would see it actually as a definite picture. And if he managed to get the grammar right at that stage, we're talking about milliseconds here. This happens very, very fast. He would then launch into the thing and mostly get it right. If, on the other hand, he launched into this, what he was going to say, and then suddenly he saw on the script in his mind that there was a grammar mistake, then he would fall all over the place and he would not know exactly what to do, and there would be a pause and a hiatus, and he would feel unfluent. That was one person's monitor, how it worked. There was a woman whom I experimented with about her monitor in Spanish. She was an English person, and she had two voices that came to her when she was about to make a mistake. One came from deep down on her left-hand side and was a raucous voice, shouting at her for getting it wrong. She was terrified of this voice. And then there was the other voice. The other side was gentle, kind, and with her. Again, auditory. And it came up on the right-hand side. So there was a kinesthetic way that she corrected, and also a very strong an auditory way. Now, before talking about how to correct mistakes, I think it behoves us to ask what people are actually doing anyway when they're free of teachers, trying to speak as correctly as possible. And there needs to be a lot of exciting research in that area by people more expert at doing this kind of research than I am. So I wait for that to happen.